Adding integers, guys, is definitely one of the most important skills in the entire course. It's used in so many different types of questions. Let's have a look at how to do it using this example here. Here we get asked to calculate 4,872 plus 36,717. Guys, to do this, we're going to use a method called column addition. We're going to start off by writing one of our numbers on top of the other. In this case, I'm going to write 36,717 on the top, 36,717, and we're going to write below plus 4,872. You could have put the 4,000 on the top or the 36,000, doesn't matter either way, guys. Now, the next step is going to be to fill in all of our gaps with a 0. We can see that we have one gap over here, so we're going to fill it in with a 0. Now, I want to mention that you have to be super careful when writing one number on top of the other. We have to make sure that all of our columns line up. So we have to make sure that our ones are above our ones, our tens are above our tens, our hundreds and our hundreds, our thousands and our thousands, and finally our tens of thousands and our tens of thousands. Now, guys, we are ready to add each of our rows together in each of our columns. So we're going to start from right to left. We're going to do 7 plus 2 in the far right hand column. That is going to be 9. Moving one over to the left, we're going to do 1 plus 7. That is going to be 8, guys. Next up, we have 7 plus 8. Now, 7 plus 8 is going to be 15. We're going to write the 5 down below, and we're going to write the 1 on top of our 6. Now, this was because we actually got a number bigger than 10. When we get a number bigger than 10, well, I should say 10 or bigger, so 10 is included in that, we're going to write the 1 in the column to the left, and we're going to write the ones part of the number down below. So in the ones here, we had the 5 from the 15, and in the tens column, we had the 1. So we write the 1 on top of the 6, and we write the 5 down below. If, for example, the number was 27, because the tens part of that is a 2, we would write a 2 up above, and because the ones part of that was a 7, we would write the 7 down below where we wrote that 5. Next up, guys, we're going to add together the 1, the 6, and the 4. 1 plus 6 is 7, plus 4 is going to be 11. We can write the 1 down here below and the other one down here above. This was the second one from the 11, and this was the first one from the 11. Now, guys, finally, we're going to do 1 plus 3. That is going to give us 4. And I didn't mention, but we also technically added 0 there. But like I say, we don't need to do that because the 0 doesn't actually make a difference. Now, we have our answer, guys. 41,589, a little bit easier to read if we write that comma in there.